Hey there, adventurers! Ready to dive into some of the most bizarre and amazing cave cities you can actually visit? We're going underground, exploring hidden tunnels, ancient dwellings, and even a city made entirely of opals. You won't believe some of these places. Let's get started. First up, we're rocketing over to Cappadocia, Turkey, a region famous for its bizarre rock formations called fairy chimneys. Imagine giant pointy rocks scattered across the landscape, looking like something straight out of a Dr. Seuss book. These natural wonders were formed millions of years ago by volcanic eruptions and erosion, creating a surreal and otherworldly terrain. But that's not even the coolest part. People actually carved homes, churches, and even entire underground cities into these fairy chimneys centuries ago. These ancient inhabitants were incredibly resourceful, using the soft volcanic rock to create intricate living spaces. Imagine playing hide-and-seek in an underground city that goes down like 8 levels. These subterranean labyrinths were not just for fun, they were built for protection and survival. That's Derinkuyu, one of the most impressive cave cities in Cappadocia. This underground marvel is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. They say it was so big it could fit 20,000 people, along with their livestock and supplies. Imagine an entire community living and thriving beneath the Earth's surface. They even had ventilation shafts disguised as wells and rolling stone doors to keep out invaders. These features highlight the advanced engineering skills of the ancient builders. Talk about a secret hideout. These underground cities were like fortresses, providing safety and security in times of danger. But Cappadocia isn't just about ancient history. The region seamlessly blends the old with the new. Today you can actually stay in a cave hotel. These unique accommodations offer modern amenities while preserving the charm of the ancient rock-hewn structures. Imagine waking up in a cozy room carved into the side of a fairy chimney. The experience is both rustic and luxurious, providing a unique connection to the past. You can sip your Turkish coffee on a terrace overlooking the incredible landscape, taking in the breathtaking views of the fairy chimneys and the vast open skies. Then spend your day exploring the underground cities, hiking through the valleys, and discovering the hidden gems of this magical region. Or even taking a hot air balloon ride over the fairy chimneys. Floating above this surreal landscape at sunrise is an unforgettable experience, offering a bird's-eye view of the stunning rock formations and the unique beauty of Cappadocia. Next, we're heading down under to Coober Pedy, Australia, the opal capital of the world. And when I say down under, I mean it literally. You see, Coober Pedy is scorching hot, like really, really hot. So hot that people decided to beat the heat by moving underground. We're not just talking about a few basements here. People in Coober Pedy have built entire homes, churches, shops, even a hotel, all underground. They call them dugouts, and they're surprisingly comfortable. They're naturally cool, so you don't need air conditioning, and they're super quiet. Plus, you never have to worry about mowing the lawn. But the real reason people flock to Coober Pedy is for the opals. These shimmering gemstones are found all over the area, and people have been digging for them for over a century. You can even try your luck at noodling for opals, which basically means sifting through piles of dirt in the hopes of finding a hidden gem. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even spend the night in an underground hotel. Just don't blame me if you start dreaming about opals. Chapter 3. Derinkuyu, Turkey, the deepest secret of Cappadocia. Hold on tight because we're diving back into the depths of Cappadocia, Turkey, to explore Derinkuyu, the deepest underground city in the region. This ancient marvel is not just a city, it's a labyrinthine wonder that has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and travelers alike for centuries. This place is like the ultimate underground bunker, stretching down over 200 feet and capable of housing a staggering 20,000 people. Imagine the sheer scale and complexity of such an endeavor, built entirely by hand with the tools available at the time. Imagine an entire city hidden beneath the earth, with tunnels connecting living spaces, stables, kitchens, even a school and a church. These interconnected spaces were meticulously planned to ensure the community could live comfortably and efficiently, even in times of crisis. It's like something out of an Indiana Jones movie. The sense of adventure and mystery is palpable as you navigate through the narrow passageways and hidden chambers. They even had a massive ventilation shaft disguised as a well, ensuring fresh air circulated throughout the city. This ingenious design allowed the inhabitants to breathe easily, even when the city was sealed off from the outside world. But Derinkuyu wasn't just about survival. It was a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the people who built it. The architectural and engineering skills required to create such a complex underground network are truly astounding. They created a self-sufficient community underground, with everything they needed to withstand long sieges. From food storage areas to water wells, every aspect of daily life was carefully considered and provided for. They even had massive stone doors that could seal off entire sections of the city, protecting them from invaders. These doors were so heavy that it took several people to move them, yet they could be operated from within, providing an effective defense mechanism. Today, exploring Derinkuyu is like stepping back in time. As you wander through the dimly lit tunnels, you can almost hear the echoes of the past and feel the presence of those who once lived here. You can wander through the tunnels, marvel at the ingenuity of the ancient architects, and imagine what life must have been like for the people who called this extraordinary underground city home. The sense of history is overwhelming, and each corner you turn reveals another fascinating detail. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring experience that will stay with you long after you return to the surface. The story of Derinkuyu is a powerful reminder of human ingenuity and the lengths to which people will go to protect and sustain their communities. So, next time you find yourself in Cappadocia, don't miss the chance to explore this incredible underground world. Chapter 4. Matera, Italy, From Ancient Cave Dwellings to Modern Marvel. Get ready to say ciao to Matera, Italy, a city where history comes alive in the most unexpected way. Imagine walking through a city carved into the side of a cliff, where ancient cave dwellings have been transformed into cozy homes, trendy restaurants, and even luxurious hotels. That's Matera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you through time. Centuries ago, Matera's caves provided shelter for shepherds and their flocks. But over time, people began to carve out more elaborate dwellings, creating a network of interconnected caves that formed the heart of the city. These cave homes, known as sassi, were considered primitive and even shameful for a time. But in recent decades, Matera has experienced a remarkable transformation. The sassi have been renovated and revitalized, becoming highly sought-after addresses. Today, you can wander through the labyrinthine streets, marvel at the ancient architecture, and even spend the night in a cave hotel, experiencing a unique blend of history and modern comfort. Chapter 5. Vardzia, Georgia, the cave monastery that guarded a kingdom. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to Vardzia, Georgia, a hidden gem nestled in the Caucasus Mountains. Imagine a sprawling cave monastery carved into the sheer cliff face, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of a bygone era. Vardzia is a breathtaking complex of caves, tunnels, and secret chambers that will leave you speechless. More than just a monastery, it was a fortress and a symbol of Georgian resistance against invading Mongols. In the 12th century, Queen Tamar ruled Georgia and saw Vardzia's potential as a fortress and spiritual center. This place was the ultimate stronghold, designed to be self-sufficient with everything needed to survive. Today, Vardzia stands as a testament to Georgia's rich history and architectural prowess. Now a popular tourist attraction, Vardzia continues to inspire awe and admiration. Thanks for joining us on this underground adventure. We've explored some of the most incredible cave cities in the world, from the fairy chimneys of Cappadocia to the opal mines of Kuberpidi. Who knew people were living so large underground? If you enjoyed this journey into the Earth's hidden wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. See you next time!